I'm Dr. Vedas Yakaremye, the Division Manager in charge of Data Observations, Quality Control and Processing at the Rwanda Meteorological Agency. We are here at this site at Campbell Meteorological Station, where we just received the Campbell Weather Station. This forms part of the first official GBON tender financed through Systematic Observations Financing Facility. They brought different sensors: barometric pressure, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, wind, speed and wind direction sensor, rainfall, and the others. So I'm glad that we finished installing them at this site, but we have other 2 extra sites where we are going to install the same sensor. The better we understand the weather, the better we can prepare and adapt when necessary. This will help us prepare for the negative impacts of natural disasters. It will also allow us to optimize production processes in sectors like agriculture, renewable energy, and transport.
Greetings from Rwanda, Nyagatare. We just finished our second day of installation. Our first week was based in Kigali, where we had theoretical training and some practical work. We focused on CR1000XE. We went into LogaNet, where we connected some sensors, wrote some CR basic program, connected using LogaNet. Day 3, we went into RTMC screens. It's about empowering our local technicians to maintain and operate the stations independently. During installation, it was nice to see the Meteo Rwanda team being able to apply what was taught to them last week. They are able to connect the sensors by themselves. They are able to interact with our software. Training is necessary because it builds up confidence with the client and it makes them appreciate the capacity of our systems.